Hi, my name's Beck. If you have Kikuyu lawn, you know that it's a super hardy grass type that thrives in most climate conditions and soil types. Not only is it hard wearing and super low maintenance, but it also requires very little watering. So come on, let's get into it. Most lawns need to be mowed quite regularly, and Kikuyu lawn is no different. Because Kikuyu lawn can be quite dense, it's recommended that you use a more robust mower, like a self-propelled. But of course, a petrol mower or a high-powered cordless mower would work too. Set your mower blade to a height of between 20 to 40 mils and take off no more than 1/3 of the grass blade's height in a single session. Mowing regularly will help keep the lawn looking lush, help to thicken the grass, and will encourage new growth. Watering during the first few weeks of a freshly laid Kikuyu lawn is crucial, as this is when it puts down roots and gains its strength. But once firmly rooted, this lawn can undergo long periods of drought, only requiring really good water after a long hot day. For healthier grass, watering less often but for a longer time period will encourage deeper roots. Watering early in the morning or late at night is best for water efficiency. This way the water can soak into the soil without staying on the grass too long, thus reducing the risk of fungal diseases. For great colour and growth, most slow-release lawn fertilisers are effective. Choose one with a mix of macro and micronutrients and apply at the lower end of the recommended rate. But be careful not to apply too much nitrogen during the warmer months, as this can lead to excessive leaf growth and so more mowing. If you want the green lawn without the extra growth, why not try a liquid iron supplement instead? A combination of manual removal and the use of selective herbicides can be great in controlling weeds in lawns. The use of selective herbicides in Kikuyu lawns is great because it means it doesn't damage the lawn. However, some transient yellowing can occur, so it's best to read the instructions carefully before applying any herbicide. The most common pest to a Kikuyu lawn is lawn grub. They live in the lawn, in the soil, eating the roots of the Kikuyu and causing damage. Signs of a grub infestation may include wilting, browning, or patches of dead grass, which can be easily pulled up like a loose carpet, or you can use an insecticide. There are insecticides that can kill infestations as well as prevent new ones. If your lawn is showing signs of patchiness or wear, make sure you pop in some Kikuyu seeds. Just make sure you keep that little area watered. Aerating warm season grasses, like Kikuyu, is best done during the growing period, which is spring and summer. Although aeration can occur year-round, it's important to note that if you aerate during the cooler months, the aeration holes will take a lot longer to fill in. Aim to aerate at the same time as other lawn activities, such as fertilising, dethatching, or top dressing. Take advantage of post-rainfall conditions too, as it makes the aeration process a whole lot easier. Keep in mind though, these are just recommendations, and the actual best time for aerating your lawn will all depend on the climate and its condition. So as you're progressing, keep an eye on the health of your lawn and adjust if you need to. Now, dethatching involves eliminating accumulated dead grass from your lawn. This process supports healthier growth and a denser lawn. Though it might appear daunting at first, dethatching Kikuyu grass is a straightforward task. When it's time to dethatch your lawn, the first thing you need to do is lower the height of your mower to its lowest setting and mow your lawn. And then grab yourself a scarifier or a dethatching rake to pull the thatch out from the grass. And then, once you're done with the scarifier, grab yourself a rake, rake up the debris and dispose of it correctly. Over time, your lawn may become uneven, creating hills and hollows. It's a good idea at this stage to add some soil, known as a top dress, to help even things out. Select a top dress that contains a mix of sand, soil and organic matter, as this will enhance the soil structure. This is particularly important for Kikuyu lawns, as improved soil structure promotes better drainage and root development. Apply top dress for your lawn during the growing season, for Kikuyu that's spring and summer, and then spread it out evenly across your lawn using a soil spreader. So there you have it, everything you need to know to get your very own lush green Kikuyu lawn. So head down to Bunnings to grab the products you need or to speak to one of our garden experts. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.